Good morning, sir. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity. My name is Viraj Bhagwan Thakre. I am from Dhule, Maharashtra. I completed my BTech in Civil graduation from ICPIT Sirpur, which is affiliated to Debatu University, Raigad. After that, I am currently pursuing BIM professional course under the guidance of Akash Pandey, sir. In this course, I completed various BIM-related softwares like AutoCAD, 2D, 3D, Revit Structures, MBP,
Hmm.
Architecture, and Naviswork also, Tekla, and many rendering softwares.
Hmm.
In, in AutoCAD, I make a architectural sheet which include 2D, 2D plan, uh, manual estimation, and so on. And in Revit, I make a model uh, and I make a model and walk through rendering and also uh, automatic automatic scheduling. Uh, automatic scheduling. Yes,
Okay. Now, Mr. Viraj, what's your hobby?
my hobby is BIM. Currently, my BIM is a hobby, and farming is also is my hobby.
Okay. What is BIM?
BIM is a building information modeling in which we make a 3D intelligent model in which we store various information related to building like plan and other estimation and costing details and structure related detailing.
Okay. What do you understand by central file in Revit, Mr. Viraj?
Hello.
Central file. What do you understand by central file in Revit?
Central file, sir. It is a model in which we make a model and various stakeholders are referring this model for making some changes in this model.
Okay. And what do you understand by BIM 360?
BIM 360 is a software, is a particular software which is handled by a BIM head, uh, and from this software, various BIM modeler and information detailing are done by various top stakeholders.
Okay. What do you understand by COBE, Mr. Viraj?
COBE is a construction operation building information exchange. It is a data exchange format in which sharing of building information is done throughout its life cycle, building life cycle.
Okay. What's your salary expectation, Mr. Viraj?
My salary expectation is uh, about industrial norms. I can manage.
Okay. I just want in no, don't manage because if you're working with us and if you're a good employee, then how should you manage? Okay. So, can you just tell us in numbers?
Numbers above 30 30K per month.
30K. What do you understand by CTC? What is CTC?
CTC don't remember sir,
Okay.
at
Not
this
sure.
time.
Okay. Uh, Mr. Viraj, right now you're just learning the software Revit. In Revit structures, how can we find the BVS?
If we make a structure model, after making model, we should go in a view tab. In a view tab, schedule is there is option is schedule. In schedule, we choose a quantity type of option, and
Okay.
uh,
That
after
in schedule there is a quantity. Sure.
quantity takeoff,
Quantity takeoff. Okay.
material takeoff of quantity takeoff, not schedule, sir. It is a three number option, sir.
Okay. Material takeoff.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How to create shortcut keys in Revit?
In Revit is a file tab. After file tab, there is a option button. Click on this and then user interface and choose a keyboard shortcut name button,
Correct.
and we can uh,
Got it.
assign.
What do you understand by templates?
Templates is a RFT format template. By using template, we make a model.
Hmm. Okay. And what are the file formats in Revit?
There are four file formats. That is RVT, RFA, RFT, RFT, and RFA is a family
Can you
format.
can you just tell us full form of that all the file and also mention the dot RBT?
RVT is a Revit file format.
Hmm.
Then RFA is a Revit family format. Revit family format. RFA,
Okay.
and then RFT is a template format, sir. And RFT is a RFT. RFA, RFT,
Dot RTE.
RT is a RT is a template format, and RFT is a family template format.
Okay. What do you understand by dot RCP and dot RCS file format?
RCP is related to recap format, and don't RF what's sir RCP
Dot
and
RCP or dot RCS.
no idea sir. RC not idea sir.
Okay. What do you understand by IFC file? Dot IFC file.
IFC sir, it's related to uh, light format sir.
Not exactly. Okay. What are the types of array in Revit?
There are two array. One is a radial, and second one is a path array.
Okay. What do you understand by parameters? Different parameters. Explain about the parameters.
Sir, in a parameter, there are mainly divided into two types. That is a project, not project. It's a type parameter and instance parameter. In a type parameter, we can change parameter by go through the type button. And instance parameter is a there is a properties in a property box. We can change this parameter from property box.
Okay.
It is a
Okay. थैंक यू सो मच बीरज दिस वाज नाइस टू टॉक विथ यू बीरज थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर जो आपका जो 30,000 जो बोला आपने ना उसको ये सीटीसी में बोलना चाहिए पर ईयर के वाइज ठीक है तो क्योंकि कैसे होता है कि 30,000 ऐसा हो गया कि एक प्रैक्टिकल लैंग्वेज में आप छोटे से उस पे पैरामीटर्स पे बात कर रहे हो जब आप बात करोगे सीटीसी सीटीसी मतलब कॉस्ट टू कंपनी ठीक है तो आपको
cost.
क्या बोलना है more than if you give me us more than 3 lakhs package I will be ready to work with us or work with you ठीक है मतलब
एलपी में बोलना है मतलब.
एलपीए में बोलना है यस ठीक है तो एलपीए मतलब कि आपको एटलीस्ट पता रहे ना कि हाँ एक साल में कितना अप्रॉक्स जा रहा है हमारा ठीक है और उसमें भी एक वर्ड यूज कर देना इफ यू प्रोवाइड मी मोर देन 3 लाख ओके या फिर मोर देन 3 प्लस एलपीए इफ यू प्रोवाइड आई विल बी हैप्पी टू वर्क विथ यू अब वो मोर देन में वो जितना देना चाहे दे ठीक है
अच्छा.
तो जैसे उन्होंने कॉम्प्लेक्स किया ना टेल मी इन द नंबर्स आप भी कॉम्प्लेक्स कर दीजिए इसके ऊपर चाहे जो दीजिए ठीक है
यस.
ठीक है तो अब वो इसके ऊपर लिमिट आपको नहीं देना है ठीक है जब लिमिट वो फोर्स करेंगे तब आप बोल दीजिए कि मोर देन 3 to 4 लाख देन आई विल बी हैप्पी टू वर्क विथ यू ठीक है तो हमेशा एलपीए में बोलना है ठीक है और सीटीसी पूछ सकते हैं कि व्हाट इज सीटीसी तो कॉस्ट टू कंपनी ठीक है तो ये था आपका ओवरऑल अच्छा था ठीक है थोड़ा सा हमने आपको डिफिकल्टीज फेस में ले जाने की कोशिश किया ठीक है वो धीरे धीरे
यस.
हम लोग उस पर वर्क कर लेंगे ओवरऑल सही चल रहा है बस इसको ना अभी कैसे कि इंटरव्यू में ऐसे ही परफॉर्म जो आज इंटरव्यू दिया एक अलग एक्सपीरियंस आया होगा ठीक है कि यार अपने
यस
को
सर.
ऐसे करके देना है ऐसे ही जब आप 25-30 इंटरव्यू दोगे अलग अलग कंपनियों में अलग अलग क्वेश्चन होंगे अलग अलग पर्सन होंगे और एक्सपीरियंस गेन होगा राइट रिजेक्ट
यस
होने
सर.
के लिए इंटरव्यू दो ठीक है जस्ट जाओ ये रिजेक्ट होके आ जाओ उससे क्या होगा कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्टअप बहुत अच्छा होता है ठीक है तो और
हाँ
कुछ
सर.
तुम्हारे क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ सकते हो तुम